it's your blue hair babe, Brittany Garcia with Black Mountain Valley Realty, and on this episode of Blue Hair Big Deals, we're learning how to use a bobcat. Just kidding. We'll leave that to the professionals. What we're actually doing here is touring 1649 Williams Way. It's a Castro Construction, newly done. Actually, it's not done. It's still working on the finishing touches. Let's go ahead and head on inside and check it out. This home is 1,520 square feet of living space. It is fully tiled. Nice, spacious, open living room. Over here we have the kitchen with this gorgeous island. It is a two-tone that they're working with right here. And then over here we have our dining area. We also have a nice pantry right here. This home also includes a refrigerator. And then off this way, we have a little hallway with a gorgeous laundry room right here. Next to the laundry room is the master bedroom. A great spacious closet. A beautiful bathroom with double vanities. A place to sit, and a gorgeous shower. All right, and if we come this way, I'll take you over to the guest bedrooms. So over here we have something a little bit different. We have a nice little storage area with a bench seating. The guest bathroom. A guest bedroom. And another guest bedroom right there. Now if you follow me this way, this will take you to the garage, but we're not gonna look in there right now. So over here we have a nice little, you can put a little wine cooler right here. It has electrical hookups. You can have wine storage right there. So kind of like a little mini bar here, if you will. All right, and we have this gorgeous patio out here. You have access through the kitchen or through the master bedroom to come out to your gorgeous backyard. That is fully fenced off. And look at the gorgeous view down that way. Thanks for touring this home with me on this episode of Blue Hair Big Deals. Please stay tuned for the next one. If you have any questions or would like a private showing of this home, give me a call, 702-533-7073. Bye.